Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah, and in this video I'm going to do a quick review over the antibiotic class known as the carbapenems. So let's get started. The carbapenem class has a common suffix of penem, which is P-E-N-E-M, and includes Imipenem and Meropenem. Now, what does it target? Well, it has one of the broadest spectrums that it can go after. This is very tough stuff. It can go after gram-positive, gram-negative, anaerobes, and ESBL, which stands for extended spectrum beta-lactamase-producing bacteria. So we use this to treat serious resistant infections. So it's like our go-to when everything else has failed. So it's our final line. Now, how does it work? Well, it inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis. So it has a bactericidal effect. So because this is one of our final line antibiotics, I want you to remember the word final to help you remember those key concepts. So F is for resistant infections. Again, it's used when other antibiotics fail, but we don't want to overuse it because we want to present resistance. We need it when we need it. I is for IV or IM route. So your patients who are going to get this, they're going to be extremely sick. They're going to be hospitalized. So of course they're going to be getting an IV. There's no oral options available at this time. There's also a neuro risk for seizures, especially with Imipenem. So you want to assess for seizure history, what's your patient's neuro status. And there's allergy potential due to its beta-lactam structure. There's a possible cross reaction with penicillins and those cephalosporins. So ask about an allergy. And then lastly, labs for kidney function. So monitor creatinine, BUN, and isonos. And again, monitoring renal function is really a big thing with a lot of antibiotic classes. So always just look at that and remember that in your memory. Okay, so that wraps up this review. If you'd like to watch more videos in this series, you can access the link in the description below.